Hello friends! Today we have a microwave oven BBK for repair. Let's look at the full model on the sticker. The plate inside is burnt. Let's take a closer look. Very strong burnout. Possibly the magnetron is damaged. It will be necessary to disassemble and check the condition of the magnetron. I removed the microwave cover and now need to remove the thermal fuse. Then unscrew the 3 screws on the magnetron on the left and right sides and also disconnect the 2 terminals going to the magnetron. Then take out the magnetron. I see that the cap is not in bad condition. There are some small carbon deposits, but this is not critical. Now I will clean the cap with sandpaper and clean the inside as well. And also I need to order a new mica for the microwave. We do the cleaning and install everything back. The mica is installed. Now it looks like this. I put water to test. Let's try to heat the water. As you can see, steam has formed on the mug, and we can safely say that the microwave is working properly. We finish this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.